Hello everybody, this is Mon. I'm so excited that PowerShell is now available on Ubuntu. In this video, I'm going to be installing the package. First thing first, you gotta log in. Press Ctrl Alt T to start a terminal session. Here's a URL from GitHub. It provides you with complete instructions. Curl has not been installed yet, so I have to install it. Now I can import the package from the public repository. After import, you have to register. After you register, you have to update the product list. Now the installation can begin. And it didn't work. I probably had a typo somewhere. Take 2, register the package. Take 2, update the product list. Take 2, install PowerShell. And finally, you can start PowerShell. That's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. If you have any comments, please write them down below. Please subscribe if you haven't done already. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day.